Okay, next is respiratory physiology. Do you know my lovers hate respiratory physiology because they think they breathe for their girlfriends, and damn physiologists think something else. I don't know who is right. But anyways, transport of carbon dioxide. It is mainly done in three forms: dissolved carbon dioxide, carbamino compounds which constitute 5% of each. Bicarbonate is the major chunk by which carbon dioxide is transported. Let's see how. We are in the venous system where the tissues are utilizing oxygen and sending out carbon dioxide. Okay, and due to this carbon dioxide in the venous system, the pH decreases and the oxygen dissociation curves shift to right, and hence affinity for the oxygen decreases and hemoglobin releases oxygen which can be utilized by the tissue. Once carbon dioxide is inside the RBC, it combines with water and forms bicarbonate, and it's mediated by carbonic anhydrase. This bicarbonate doesn't stay inside the RBC, it goes out in plasma, and here is where the major amount of bicarbonate is transported, right? Now, since bicarbonate is sent out of RBC, this sort of creates an electrical imbalance because you are sending one anion out of RBC. To combat that, RBC pulls one chloride inside to maintain the electrical balance of the RBC. This is called chloride shift, which happens at the tissue level, and this is also called hamburger phenomena. Now this chloride also pulls water with itself, so this will swell up the RBC in the venous side. This swelling of RBC leads to increase in hematocrit in veins. Okay, this is an important point. What happens in cyanide poisoning? The tissue cannot utilize oxygen despite of ample of amount of oxygen present in the surrounding. What happens is cyanide inhibits the cytochrome C, of the mitochondria. So cells cannot utilize oxygen despite it is present in surrounding. Therefore, it is also called histotoxic hypoxia. CO2 is primarily transported in bicarbonate form. Major one. Changes in the blood passing through systemic capillaries are all. There is increase in hematocrit due to increase in size of the RBC, pH decreases due to carbon dioxide, and increase in protein contents as well. Remember, oxygen dissociation curve shifts to right side. The only condition where oxygen dissociation curves shift to left side is carbon monoxide poisoning. Which of the following condition leads to tissue hypoxia without alteration of oxygen content in blood? This is histotoxic hypoxia by cyanide poisoning. Methemoglobin is abnormal form of hemoglobin where Fe2 plus is converted into Fe3 plus, so there is alteration of oxygen content in the blood. An important non-respiratory function of lung. You remember we said that there is angiotensin converting enzyme in the microcirculation of the lung which converts angiotensin 1 into angiotensin 2, which stimulates adrenal medulla to release aldosterone, and aldosterone retains salt and water. So main non-respiratory function of lung is sodium balance. The another one are acid-base balance, the airway protection by dust cell. These are the macrophage of the respiratory system. Vapor loss and vocalization as well.